With the emergence of newer and more sophisticated chatbots over the past few years, people in many industries are observing how chatbots are advancing, how they're serving progress in interactive voice response, IVR, and how that's affecting retail as well as numerous other industries. One of the big relevant questions is how chatbots are dealing with accents. In this video we are going to look at how chatbots deal with the accent. Before moving further, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel, so don't miss the video. This is first video in understanding the AI logically. Let's start the video. Regional and world language accents have been a stumbling block for these technologies since the beginning. When chatbots' natural language processing, NLP, algorithms were more rudimentary, they were easily confused by an accent that significantly changed the phonemes of speech. Chatbots have become much more resilient as algorithms have evolved. Here are some main ways that engineers and stakeholders have worked to help chatbots handle accents. The first is through targeting. In order to avoid cross-language issues, many businesses serving a diverse clientele will set up multiple systems and try to steer customers or other end users toward the system that best suits their dialect and language. Targeting, though, has limited effectiveness. Another key way that companies work on chatbot refinement is triangulation. This has enabled chatbots to successfully deal with the accent issue. The phonemes can be triangulated to get more focused results. Consider this: if a chatbot hears the voice of a native Indian who immigrated to the United States and speaks English with a pronounced Indian accent, the machine will have to cope with variances, such as the flatter, wider, sound that natural Indian speakers of English struggle to learn. In order to avoid missing the full word or phrase, a chatbot with more phoneme isolation complexity can identify the problematic phonemes and more precisely diagnose them. The technique can generate more true answers or responses by focusing on and isolating the phonemes in greater detail. This will completely transform the virtual assistant industry, which has always failed to impress the majority of callers.